Vanakkam. Welcome to this course on biomedical instrumentation. We have been looking at measurement of blood flow or using flow meters to measure flow of blood. In the previous set of videos, we looked at electromagnetic flow meter followed by ultrasonic flow meter, Doppler shift flow meter. In this video, we will look at another type of flow meter that uses ultrasound called as transit time flow meter. Already I described this previously, very briefly I described this, that is, depending on the time it takes for the sound to travel in upstream or downstream two different directions, the velocity can be estimated. That is the principle. So, what is the working principle? Already mentioned this. Essentially, difference in the travel time of the ultrasonic pulses with and against the flow of a fluid. This is the working principle. It essentially has two ultrasonic transducers placed opposite across the pipe. Each transducer alternately transmits and receives. If one is transmitting, the other one will receive. If the other one is transmitting, this one will receive. This essentially measures the time taken by the signal to travel from A to B. Consider that these two transducers do not move respect to each other. The distance between these two are the same. Travel from A to B downstream and from B to A upstream varies. Depending on the direction of flow, there will be a transit, not just the direction of flow, depending on the direction of flow and the velocity of flow. Depending on the velocity of flow, there will be a difference in the transit time that can be directly related to essentially the flow velocity. So, I measure the transit time and I try to relate it to the flow velocity. So, the velocity of the signal when the flow is from A to B, if it is, say, for example, u cos theta plus c, what is c? C is the velocity of sound. The velocity of the signal that is traversed from B to A, if it is c minus u cos theta, and if the diameter is, say, some L cos theta, then the transit time can be computed simply as delta t is 2 ul cos theta divided by c squared. Now, what is of interest for me? That is of interest for me, this one. This is the velocity of interest for me, and this is what I am measuring. I know L, I know cos theta, and I know c, and I know delta t. Delta t is what I measure, and because delta t is directly related to u, I can essentially estimate or get an idea of what u is by measuring delta t. Right. So, that is the principle of operation of a transit time flow meter. With this, we end this video. Thank you very much for your attention.